Hi everybody, it's Will the Wig Maker here. How are you all doing? So today I'm going to be showing you how I create a double knot on this lace closure. Now I prefer to use these curved German hooks because I believe that they're the easiest to use for everything really when it comes to wig making, so ventilating, or known as knotting, whipping, sewing, everything. So we're going to take the hook and put it into one of these holes and then catch the hair, and then using your middle finger for tension so you can keep good hold of it, and then pull it out of the hole, place it over, and there's one single knot, put it over again, turn the needle and pull. There's a double knot. I'll do it again. So pull the hair through, place it over, pull through, over again, turn your needle and pull through. I'll do a few more so that you can see how I do them at speed. The reason for using the double knots in this lace closure is this is going to be an integration piece. It's going to be fitted at my client's salon. The integration pieces, I've just dropped it here, but that's alright, just move on to the next. Integration pieces or bonded systems are worn 24/7, so obviously the client will be sleeping in this, and when you're sleeping in hair pieces they tend to rub against the pillows and other things, so the knots need to be really secure, hence the double knot, because it gives you double the security, which means the piece won't have, well, it's much less likely that the hairs will shed from this piece. And I've just got one last little bit of hair which I'll show you again. So there's the hairs, pull it through, over and turn, and again, and that's your double knot. If this video has been of use to you, leave me a like, leave me a comment and subscribe so that I know that you're wanting to see more content. I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye.